So really the final thing that we need to set up now for our cStor to start to integrate it into the system is we need to set up our advanced capture settings within the platform. So to do that, we need to log into our UI and on our capture settings option on our main dashboard, we can click and we can see here we have our current configuration. So we can see our current device information, and we have in this particular cStor that we're running, we have one port that has been configured to ingress data from our brokers. So in this particular case, I'm going to be using port 1.1, which is on the back of this unit, which is a 10 gigabit port. And we can see we've enabled data capturing, and that port is up and active. So now when we configure our broker, we can actually push all of our filtered and acted data into our cStor, which will then basically be spooled and saved into our storage. So on top of that, though, what we also want to do is we want to have our cStor run a basic level of analytics on that data. So we can set up that we want to act on the port. So we want a 10 gig port, and we want to retain our analytics data for about 7 days. So I'm going to switch that on now and click save. That will take a little time to activate, but basically once that's been done, our cStor is now in its condition to be able to fully operate and start to store and write all of its data coming from our broker and save that onto the local storage.